Nag-visit kami sa Baguio para pasyalan yung mga bagong tourist spots na malapit sa town proper at mga kainan na masarap at merong magandang view. Sakto may nakita ako sa Facebook, staycation na 10 to 12 minutes away lang sa Baguio City, town proper. Malapit sa mga tourist spots at secured ang place nila. Very cozy, feels like home at napaka-relaxing ng ambience. Dito lang yan sa Regent Suite, The Courtyards, Condominium, Baguio City. Actually guys, good for 12 to 15 packs ang bila nila. Merong 2 bedrooms with double decks and 1 bedroom with dome toilet and bath. May common CR sa first floor and second floor with bidet and hot water. Fully equipped na din yung kanilang kitchen. Meron itong mga appliances like crepe, microwave, electric kettle, induction cooker, rice cooker, and water dispenser. Yung lulutuin na lang ang dadalhin ninyo. Favorite spot ko yung spacious living area nila with 40 inches HD TV with Netflix and YouTube na. Yung mga board games, Scrabble, and Jenga kung gusto nyong maglaro. Malakas ang wifi, meron ding dining area with 6 seaters dining table. Yes, may coffee maker with available coffee din sa place nila. One thing na nagustuhan ko, meron silang first aid kit. May naka-reserve na parking for 2 vehicles. Kaya guys, kung may balak kayong mag-Baguio, mag-book na kayo dito. Located sila sa Barangay Abyong, Baguio City, Benguet. Search nyo lang yung Regent Suite, The Courtyards, Condominiums, Baguio City sa Google Maps at madaling-madali lang naman silang hanapin. For more info and booking, mag-direct PM kayo sa kanilang Facebook page.